How to upload status on WhatsApp web on laptop PC. Step 1. On your default browser, go to web.whatsapp.com. You can also download the WhatsApp web application. Next, look for the status icon on the left side of the WhatsApp web interface. Click it and click the plus sign to post a status update. You may choose between text and photos and videos. Use the text to communicate your ideas via text. Type your text message in the text box and click the green button to update your status. For photos and videos, choose a media file from your computer storage, and after clicking the media, add your desired caption. Click the green button again to update your status. Once uploaded, your contacts can see your status for 24 hours. To delete the status, click on the uploaded status and click the three dots and click delete. That's it.